This is my first ever MacBook in the form of a MacBook Air, and coming from a Windows laptop, I expect it to be a whole new experience. So as you guys can see, it hasn't been unboxed yet, it's still sealed. So yeah, let's get to it. This is an M3 MacBook Air from Apple. In terms of specs, I got the 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gig of internal storage on the SSD. It feels like I'm unboxing luxury, man. This might just be the best unboxing I've ever done. Like top 10 or maybe in the top 5 unboxings I've ever done. This is the best unboxing I've ever done. Wow. So first of all, wow, this is so slick, man. So we have how will I bring this out? How will I bring? Okay. Wow. Like I brought stuff with this. Like Apple is really like the packaging, man. Ooh, looking clean. I think this is the space gray. I'm not sure which color this is. If this is space gray or not, or the midnight, but we'll get back to that in a moment. We have the what they call this charger again? Is it MagSafe? Yeah, we have the MagSafe charger right here with the Type C. Yes, this is Type C. Yeah, MagSafe charger, guys. MagSafe charger. And then we have some paperwork. I will actually have to read this manual since it's my first time using a MacBook and whatnot. And yeah, wow. So I think these stickers differ based on which one you receive. So I received the midnight, so that's why it's midnight colored. And what else do we have in here? I think, wow, that's all we have here. Not really much. So the power brick, so yeah, this is the power brick. I'll have to find an adapter for this because I don't think I enter any of the sockets I have over here. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, we're done with the unboxing. The main event. Okay, you have to be careful. Okay. Ooh. Come on, man. This stuff is so clean. It's so clean. And it's so lightweight. Like compared to my old laptop, it's lightweight. Ooh. Wow. This is so clean, man. Okay, now that we're charging the Mac, let's set it up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, return. My first impression is the trackpad. It's different from Windows. You know, normally on Windows you have to double click to go to the next go to the next page or next window, but on Mac I found out you actually have to press it down to go to the next window. So yeah, that's different. And the keyboard, it's neat. Like it feels different. Of course it feels different because it's a new device, but still it just feels softer than the Windows laptop I'm switching from. So yeah, that's that too. And I also noticed that the keyboard is backlit. So I read the specifications and actually found out that yeah, this is backlit keyboard. Also, this is a 13-inch key 13-inch Mac. Yeah, not the 15-inch. It's 13 inches. So yeah, there's that. Before we get to that, as you can see, comparing this to my Windows PC, comparing now to my Windows PC, you can see that the Windows PC is thicker than the Mac. So yeah, the Mac has that going for it, but that's the whole point, the portability and the size. It has that going for it, and you can see this Windows PC is taller in height. It's taller than the Mac. So yeah, there's that. Back to setting up. Not now, they won't be migrating now. Oh, Apple ID. Well, I don't have one. Oh, this is my first Apple device, so I'll have to create one. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So yeah, we're done setting it up. Well, almost done. No, I would not like to share my Mac analytics with Apple. So now, okay, continue. Ooh, okay.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So
Choose
guys,
the voice you'd like me to use.
which
You
voice?
can change it later in system settings.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So
Choose
guys,
the voice you'd like me to use.
so guys,
You
which
can
voice?
change it later in.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Okay,
You can change it
think
later in system
I'll just
settings.
go with voice one. So okay, continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, I've set up Siri for the Mac. Continue. Not now. No, we're not sharing data. Observations about this is on the Windows, if you want to exit let's say a window or a program, the exits, minimize and whatnot, all the buttons, they are by the top right corner, but on the MacBook they are by the top left corner, all the buttons. So yeah, that's it. That's one major observation, so it will take some getting used to. And also, I believe this is the front facing camera. This notch here houses the front facing camera. That is very, very cool. So yeah, another impressive thing is that I can open the Mac with one finger, so it's really amazing to see. I really enjoy this feature. I can open the MacBook with one finger, but as for the Windows laptop, I can't do it without the base of the laptop raising up, so it's not really enjoyable. So yeah, this is one MacBook feature I will really enjoy using. So that's it. Well, those are my first impressions. If you have any tip to get started with a Mac, do leave it in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.